Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to create a desktop header for a website. So I have my SketchUp open, and the first thing that I'm going to do is going on the top left, insert, and I'm going to click on artboard. And as you can see, the right panel will open up, and I'm going to select a responsive web, and I'm going for the desktop HD for the artboard. So as we can see, if we zoom out a little bit, we're having our artboard. And the first thing that I'm going to do is going to create the header, which is going to be a simple logo and also a right menu. So let's do the logo, which I'm just going to throw up like some text. And for this specific example, I'm going to use Lato font because I think it's pretty good. It's a free Google web font, so you can download it for free. So in this case, we're going to make the menu. So let's say about us, and then we're going to create another text item, which is going to be the product page, and then let's also add services, just literally like making this up on the spot, and then a contact us. So one thing that I like to do in this case is going to well, first of all, make these a little bit less high, and I'm going to center these and spread them just a little bit more. And one trick that I use in order to spread these multiple texts or even multiple objects in a very quick and efficient way is using this stop distribute horizontally. And as I click it, it will distribute it in a very even way. So let's make these a little bit more. Probably I'm gonna make them just a little bit more attached. So here we go, this looks better. And I'm going to make the logo just a little bit bigger and more expanded, just like this. Let's use a color which might be this blue, this modern blue. Okay, and now let's go for the main headline. So this is the main headline, and let's use a character of 0, and let's make the Lato headline a little bit bigger, and we're also going to make the font just a little bit less bold. So I'm going to go with the regular version, and here we go with the main headline. I'm also going to add some text, so I'm going to create a paragraph, and for this reason I'm going to make it much smaller. I think I'm gonna go with a 14 pixel size, and let me grab a paragraph from here. Usually go on this website, which is called lipsum.com, and I have a lot of paragraph choices, so I'm just gonna go this one. I'm gonna copy and paste this, and I'm going to make the line height just a little bit higher. So as you can see over here, I'm going to make it a little bit less blue, so that it's looks a little bit better. Maybe the headline, I'm gonna adjust it just a bit, and of course I'm going to also add a call to action button below, and let's make a button over here. So this is going to be the main call to action. and I'm going to add a rounded rectangle shape just around this, so that we just have the ability to modify the radius just a bit. And I'm also going to use this fill. Let's go for a color around these lines. This is going to be a very strong call to action. Let's bring it to the back, and let's make the button bigger, so just like this. Okay, and for creating buttons we can also use a plugin. This is just the manual way that I'm using, but you can definitely make the process quicker with some plugins. And on top of that, we're also going to add a image. It's going to be a rectangle, and let's fill it up with one of the images that I have in my library. So I think that I'm going to go with this image over here. Let's give it a shot and see how it is. Probably I'm looking for something a little bit more minimal and light. Really enjoy using like light images, but maybe also this one. I think it can work overall. I'm just not sure about the headline color. Maybe I'm going to go with a more soft version, with a more classic version, so just a black with a tint of blue. And I'm also going to make these top menus a regular, and also make the fill just a little bit less vibrant, because at the moment I feel like it's a little bit too much. Probably I'm gonna adjust it over here. And yeah, I mean, there's always tweaks that you can make, and there's always things that you can refine, but I think that as a base it's pretty solid, and pretty happy with it. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. And by the way, if you have any questions, just drop a comment below, and I'll get back to you and try to help you. Okay, see you in the next video, guys.